Hi guys, there's so much to say. Um, where to begin? How about there's some crazy stuff going on right now, right? People on the left don't know what the fuck's going on. People on the right don't know what's going on. There's a lot of just craziness. But here's some facts you guys need to know. Uh, Weather modification's been going on in California since the 60s. More specifically, cloud seeding. We've been using it to artificially increase our water supply, and specifically more up north. But something changed in 2018. In 2018, we had those fires, and something happened after that. It was part of Gavin Newsom, Governor Brown, and Trump's plan that they had. And people in California are now experiencing the ramifications of that plan. And that plan was to expand weather modification operations to not just include cloud seeding, but to expand and include geoengineering. What geoengineering does, it does a lot of things. But the thing that we need to be concerned of, the two more important things that we need to be concerned of in regards to geoengineering is the lowering of the temperature in the area affected by that geoengineering up to 20 degrees and even maybe even 25 degrees, but for sure up to 20 degrees they can lower the temperature. That's important. And the second has to do with the rays, the UV rays that the sun gives, and we feed off of that. Obviously, if the temperature gets lower, people get sick more. That's why we get sick during the winter times. That's why things live longer, and when it's colder, that's why we put things in the refrigerator so they can live longer. Well, guess what else lives longer in the colder environment? Viruses. The second thing we need to be concerned about in regards to the blocking of the sun using geoengineering is that it lowers our immune system when we don't have vitamin D provided by the sun. I don't care what anybody tells you. I don't care what pill some man made. Nothing of nothing that a man made is going to compete with the sun that was made by God billions of years ago. There's no way we can compete with that, and they're blocking that. And that helps our immune system. And the last thing, the cherry on top, is that they're spraying aerosols and sulfides, sulfur in our atmosphere, and that's important because there's all types of toxic effects that could happen within our water supply, and that might be the reason why these COVID symptoms also have these other extra. Again, weather modification does not cause COVID, but what it does do, it presents an environment where it's more conducive for the virus to live longer and spread. It sounds fucking crazy. It sounds too much hoopla to be true. But just so you guys know, there's weather modification operations being conducted currently in LA County. It's not a conspiracy theory. You can look it up. LA County has a weather modification program. Quit being fucking stupid. Who fucking cares about the NFL or the Kardashians or any of this other bullshit that they try to, make us forget about our troubles or whatever? There's bigger fish to fry. They're fucking with our air. If they did it in Flint, Michigan, they're gonna do it to us.